You are going to love the 2013 Lincoln MKX. This vehicle is powered by a 6-cylinder, 3.7-liter engine and comes with an automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 135,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: all-wheel drive, 4-wheel independent suspension, tire pressure monitoring system, rear window defroster. Inside you'll find remote start, cruise control, rear cargo lamp, universal garage door opener, electrochromic rear view mirror. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.